Hello educators, in this tutorial we will see the process to create new teams and class notebooks for all your students. So the first step is to sign in the Teams app. From the dashboard, select this option, join or create a team. Then the next screen that will come up will be this. Here you have to click on the create team option. After that, you have to select the team type. Be mindful and select the class team only and not any other team. Then give a suitable name to the team that you are creating and provide a suitable description. The name and description should be based on whether it is a class team or a subject team. Put it accordingly. Click on next button. Then the next step is to add all the students of your class to your team. Keep writing the first name. The names will automatically pop up and select and click on add. The next step is to add teachers. If you want any colleague to be added or HOD to be added, click on the teachers tab, add the name and then click on add. Now the next step is to set up the class notebook. Click on the option set up class notebook. Then on the next screen, select the option set up a OneNote class notebook. Now this is the place where you will come up. Click on next button from here. Now this is the place where you see the some sections are already there. Add as many sections as you want. You can rename these sections based on your need. If it is a class team, then you can add like English notebook, Hindi notebook, delete the old sections and add the new sections as per your requirement. If it's a subject team, you can add more sections like CAS or programs, whatever is your need. Once you have finalized your sections, like here I have added one more section, programs, then only click on create button. Uh, Take this decision very carefully. Whatever sections you need, add them in one go before clicking on create button, or remove them before you click on create, because later on it's a very tedious process to add or remove sections from each child's notebook. Then click on create. You will get this screen. Your notebooks are getting ready. Be patient and wait for some time. Depending on the number of students in the class, the time will be taken. Now the next step is you will reach to this screen. Click on this button, which is navigation panel, and this will give you the names of all the students along with the notebooks created for them. So this was a simple procedure that you can follow step by step to accomplish the task. Thank you.